welcome back to my channel. It's Sherice. Before you guys start watching, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification to join the family. And that's about it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I do this stiletto step. I posted a video before this and I showed you how I did this step on my left hand. So now I'm showing you how I do it on my right hand, because I did two different steps. So this is my first time and I'm very proud of how I did like stiletto. Like, I like how everything came out. I felt like it was really decent for my first time. So in this clip, I'm showing you guys how I basically is removing the dead skin from my cuticle bed. I like doing this than clipping it because I'm kind of scared of using the cuticle clipper. I probably should grow out of it, but I like removing the cuticle the dead skin around my cuticles like this. Also, if you guys want to know where I got this cuticle bit from, I posted it in my old haul. I'll put it in the description box below and I put it above in the cards so you guys could click directly to the video so you can see where I got it from. I also bought it from Amazon, so just click it to watch the video and it'll be in the description box below. So now all I'm doing is removing the shine off of my nail bed before I apply the tips. I didn't end up getting to film me applying the tips because my phone at the time had low storage and it kept deleting and it kept like cutting off every time I filmed it, so I had to like work around it. Thank God I got a new phone, so it's gonna be more content, better videos. I'm editing this video on my new phone now, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, I'm just filing the shine off my nails. So now I'm going to be filing the nails. I already cut it to the size that I wanted, so I'm just filing it. But to be honest, looking back, I wish I cut it more so the process could be faster, because I honestly didn't cut that much. But I think because my scissors was giving me a hard time, I want to buy a straight edge nail clipper because that'll be easier for me, because I realized like my nail scissors, even the new ones that I bought, it don't work for me. I don't know what it is. I really don't. But yeah, I'm just filing it to this stiletto shape. The best tip I could say is like do one side, keep going back and forth. Once you reach like the size you want, focus on the tip and keep like filing until it's perfect. Speed up for y'all because we are still filing, but they look good though, I'm not gonna lie. And also make sure you guys, especially when you're working with another person, make sure you make them look at it and flip it to make it seem like make sure your shape is seamless basically. So what I'm doing now, I am blending the tip in my real nail. So I'm just filing over the line to make it even more seamless. You don't have to really do this. I just felt like being extra today and I decided to do it. But you don't have to, it's not mandatory. So I'm going to be using the Mia Secret Dehydrator and Nail Prep. This is my first time using it, and I had my nails on for, let's say, like about a week now, and it's really holding up. So I really like this nail prep and bond. So I advise you guys to try that. And then after this, we're going to get into the fun part. So in this scene, I'm basically showing you guys how I do this marble design. What I'm doing is basically placing a small bead of different colors and swirling around. So I placed the clear acrylic from Mia Secret on my nails, then I placed the super white acrylic from Valentino. I'm just swirling around. If you guys watch my turquoise nail video, I tried to do the marble look. It wasn't that great, but it wasn't that bad. So that's how I feel about this. I feel like if I definitely practice more, I'll execute it better. But again, you can't mess up marble. You just have to play around and like swirl it around and make sure the bead is wet, but not too wet. So you know what I mean? Like you gotta pick up a perfect amount of bead to liquid ratio, or acrylic to liquid ratio, I mean. On my pointer finger, I'm just placing Glamorous Nude by Valentino. The reason why you guys didn't see this clip is because my phone cut off. On my middle finger, I'm basically doing the marble look again. So I'm placing the white bead and the clear bead, and I'm swirling around. If you guys just seen, I wiped that off because I didn't like how it looked, so I'm doing it again. So don't make it a big deal. Just do it to your perfection, or do it to your liking, I mean. Don't stress it. Okay, so after that, I'm going to place this beautiful glittery acrylic that I got from Valentino. And I really love this color, y'all. Like, it is just so bomb, and it's like so sexy. Like, I don't know, like, I just love the color. Like, I just love I just love everything. So I'm placing this color all over my nails. And then after that, I'm going to be placing little Louis Vuitton charms inside, like swirling around. And then after that, I'm going to encapsulate it. I encapsulated all my nails actually. But yeah, it's just so pretty. Like, look at it. It is so cute. So I just placed little charms around on my nail. And after I do that design, on my last finger, I'm just going to place Glamorous Nude again to make it simple. But it looks, and after that, I am going to encapsulate it. But look at that green. Look at that green, baby. It is just, ooh. So next clip, I'm going to be showing you guys how I basically fix all imperfections in the nails by shaving down with my e-filer. This clip is going to be very short because, again, my phone cut off because it didn't have any space. So right now I'm just going to basically go around my cuticle to make the acrylic and the nail bed more seamless, and then I'm going to work my way up and fix imperfections. And then I really wish I could show you guys all my nails, but the camera just cut off. But in the next clip that's coming up, I'm just going to show you guys how I put on some of the gems before my phone cut off. So just enjoy this little clip. This is a nail glue gel that I got from Amazon. So I'm just putting that, and then I'm applying my gems. So after that, I applied D&D top coat. Tell me guys what you think. If you like it, please give me some advice. I definitely like how it came out. I'm practicing on my diamond placements. That came out good. But tell me what you guys think.